Welcome to Virginia! It's not very pretty, but we're here! Morning. Just airing up the tires. Everything seems good. Spent the night at this Flying J. Not bad. Another RV here. Southwind, Class A. It's funny how the Class C is like taller than like an older Class A. It's so funny. But yeah, got about 5 hours left for like less than 400 miles. Just gonna gas up, air up all the tires, and just knock it out. It's about 4 in the morning, 3:30. But yeah, everything's good. Ready to get on the road.
Sweet like wine, got honey on her tongue. One hand on a bottle, she got one hand on a gun. She squeezed that trigger, you as good as done. I should be running from you, darling, now till kingdom come. Cause my mother told me as a child, boy, don't play around with fire, cause you might just end up getting burned. And I know the wicked never rest, so I always try my best. But there's some lessons hard for me to learn.
Alright, had a little nappy at the rest stop. It is 9:10. We got about 3 hours left. Just gonna keep on pushing through, probably gas it one more time. But we're in North Carolina, so I'm excited. You ready? Let's get this trip over with. I am tired.
So good, friends call me a dummy, cause she taking all my money, but I make it rain like 24/7. If it mean a little time with you, break my heart and leave me hurt. The next one just gonna do me worse. So if they all no good, I'll just be bad with you. Cause my mother told me as a child, boy, don't play around with fire, cause you might just end up getting burned. And I know the wicked never rest, so I always try my best. But there's some lessons hard for me to learn. Like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from them bad girls. Them bad girls. The good ones just can't get me high, so I be falling on my lap for one of these bad girls. You bad girl, but you do me so good.
Hello?
Yes, hi.
Hi there.
Hi, it's Christian Turner. Adisa's son. How are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Doing good. Just giving you guys a heads up. I am about 20 minutes away, so just giving you my ETA, okay?
Alright, we will meet
Yep.
you and take you to your spot.
Yep, I'm Thor Chateau, Class C, the 98.
In 98, you're sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check anyway.
It's a 1998 Thor Chateau, 28
Oh
foot.
no, I meant your spot.
Oh, okay, I have no idea. I think it was... I could be wrong.
Okay.
I could be wrong.
Alright, up and look.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Alright, see you guys in like 20 minutes.
Okay,
Alright.
sounds good.
Alright, bye. Our escort. She's escorting us to our site. Hello.
How are you?
The famous Shannon. How's it going? Yeah.
I was just going to ask you if you wanted to go around on the other side where you're kind of small and compact. But I already,
No, this is good.
This is good?
All right, mister. Let's get set up.
And Christian, the dog park is that way as
Yeah.
well, if you're
Okay.
interested in that.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
1, 2, 3. Can you see me? Now I'm gonna back up. Alright, let's see if we're level. Excuse me. Does it have to come up a little more? Yeah, just a little bit more. Perfect! I know there's more than that. What was that? Someone's shooting off rounds.
Welcome to the hood.
Hey, how's it going? Oh, you heard me say that? Sorry. Didn't realize there was someone else here.
There's a gun range over there.
Yeah. Alright. Damn. 30. The water heater's finally leaking out. That's probably what that antifreeze smell I smelled on the way down. Alright, let's go see if we got electric. Yep, we got electric. Where's it? Okay, it's right here. Turn you off. Let's go do sewer. Alright. Let's see. Alright, sewer's on. Make sure that's angled down. Everything's tight. Should reach. Yep, just barely. Oh. Oh, I don't have one of the... I think I do. Found it. Screw this guy on. Whoa. Alright, tight. And then we screw this guy in. Alright. Yep. Alright. Now let's shoot this out. I think this is a black. Is it black or... Yeah. Whoa. Don't look at that. Sewer's hooked up. Electric's hooked up. I have no idea if this AC works, but here we go. Oh. Let's see. Let's put it on cool. Let's put it on low. Nope. AC works. There's probably a lot of junk in there. Alright, got pretty much here. Just trying to get this place in order. This place is in chaos. Gotta wash all these. Oh Lord, it's got a lot to do. Just gonna put the camera down and put in some music and just get this done. Good morning. It's the next day. Walking Kylo. So far so good. Not bad. Just a lot going on yesterday. Just unpacking, seeing my dad. My sister spent the night in the bunk bed. My toilet started leaking, so I had to fix it. Luckily, just the water line wasn't tight enough. But I'm walking Kylo now, if he can stop dragging around the place. We're gonna get breakfast soon, but yeah, everything's so far so good. I'm gonna try to record a little later, but I'm really tired. Got another chateau over there. Okay. Nice. This one just pulls, and pulls. Come on. How you doing? Crazy boy. Hey. Go run around. Will you relax? You act like you've never seen another human being before. He's like, not in 3 days?
I know, right?
Morning. Just going through and downsizing. Just getting rid of a bunch of... Whoa. Getting rid of a bunch of models and miscellaneous toys that I really do not need. So yeah, just doing that. Like this. Goodwill. Donation. And then I have a bunch of Legos that I don't really know what to do. So like, I think I can get rid of this. Like, I'd rather give this to someone who can actually play with it instead of just it gathering dust. So, family's here. Be nice, cuz. What's the password?
I don't know. I have no idea. You didn't tell me. Oh, this is cute. Look at you. You can have a little view outside. Gotta back it up now.
Hey, Dad, do you want a clock?
Back it
Yeah.
up.
Analog. Battery. Oh.
Back up, man. Let me in. This boy.
Kylo, get back.
Dude. You heard me. He's doing his job. He's doing his job, man.
Calm yourself.
He's not letting me in. I know
Calm
that's
yourself. I like that.
Get up.
I don't know where to put that though.
Yeah.
Any suggestions?
Oh,
I do like it though. Yeah.
Aw.
What's that? The tiny Spider-Man?
Kylo? Yeah.
Wow.
How cute.
It's different
It looks
in here in the
nice and
daytime.
bright.
Yeah. A few hours.
Energetic.
Wow. I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that's
like
a
it.
nice
I see it
song.
now.
This
That's nice. That's really nice.
is, hey, doggy, I see you.
You know that's missing right now. What is that?
What?
That's just food.
Oh, dog food.
That's another
You know two have to chill, so.
Where's your unpluggy thing?
Oh. Crap. There. You want this?
What is that?
It's an X-Wing. You mean what is that? You know exactly what this is.
I thought it was a chew toy. I don't know. People, I have a dog now. You know.
Yeah.
This is an
Look
adult
at the
toy.
mini in there.
It's a model.
Hell
Yeah. Because I got the Millennium Falcon here. See?
And the mini in
Yeah,
there.
keep that. That's you.
Isn't that so cute?
Well, that one's
There's a
small. I
mini in
thought.
there, too?
Yeah, Luke Skywalker's in there, and then R2D2 pops out. See?
Stop! Oh.
Those weren't expensive, you know. Those are from Walmart. I know. It's so tiny.
See, my thing is, I try to collect everything tiny because the theme I'm trying to put in my camper is a tiny house, so I want everything in there tiny.
Yeah. I want the
Two same
cars.
irons.
I might keep like one
Yeah,
Lightning
that's what I'm
McQueen.
saying.
Yeah.
Keep up.
Well, I have the RC Lightning McQueen that Kyla chases around.
Oh.
Yeah, Mater's in here. Here.
You have 2 meters.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not Mater. That's
Oh.
someone else. Yeah.
I'm sad. He's not when I see him next to this
I got
one.
Sally. You want Sally?
Yes. Fence
I got
kids
the
are gonna
Enterprise right
have to
there.
take these.
Next to the Terminator head.
Bryce is gonna love these. When I bring them, he's gonna be like,
Yeah.
oh my
That
god.
Terminator head is wicked, man.
I have like 7 Lightning McQueens.
You put
That opens, you know.
You put this box in the front there with what you don't want.
Yeah.
And
Oh hell no, I'm taking
put it
this.
free.
You want it?
You're like, I guess this is hard. Does it light up or no?
No, no.
Well, it kind
It's
of looks
just
like
a-
it does.
It's a bust.
And you gotta show him the old Teddy too.
I'll show him that first, actually.
Right, that's
Do you remember this thing?
Right, I know he remembers that Teddy. You got to. The 3 Teddies you got. This is the 1 of 3 that's still.
You remember that?
Oh, yes.
Isn't that such an ancient relic?
Yeah.
Ah,
It's from the good old days, man.
I'm telling you.
These are my
The
yearbooks.
yearbook's good.
So this is 2010 is my oldest one. Yeah. All right, see if you can find me.
Not super.
See if you can find me.
That's what I remember you looking like.
Yeah, that's
what I remember
that's
you
5th
looking
grade.
like.
Yeah. Yeah, I have a RC Lightning McQueen if you want it.
Can I see?
Yeah. You can drive him around. Hang on, I have the controller somewhere. He should be charged. Here it is. I found it.
I have a Jeep where it has like a battery.
Yeah, let me see. Here. Do you want the cars models that I have? Because this opens and it's a whole plate set.
Oh.
Yeah.
How does this turn off?
It's on already. I have a Lego Mustang if you want it. Yeah. And then,
I might need the instructions.
I'm not sure if I have them.
This guy's good. This is my son, man.
And then, let's see. I think that's everything. Yeah.
How old are you, Luca?
8.
8. Only 8.
Uh-huh.
Predicted he's gonna be taller than his dad. His dad is 6'3".